days where you want to be outside because not only of the storms, but also that air quality that we are still dealing with. But first, let's talk about here and now what we're seeing. Rounds of storms just moving over Evansville. It is heading our way, but it looks like it's going to miss the metro by maybe 20-30 miles. So it's heading on more of a southward trend. So areas in Litchfield, E-Town, Columbia especially will be in the target range of those thunderstorms here over the next hour or two. It's going to take a little while for those storms to head our way. Right now, Tell City is seeing some light showers, a thunderstorm just west of Hardinsburg, but still seeing some lightning when they're not seeing heavy rain with it. So lightning and heavy rain in that forecast. We could see a few strong wind gusts, which is why we are under this low risk of seeing some stronger storms. So the forecast model showing some of those heavier storms trail its way in right around 8-9 o'clock in the later this morning. And then once we head towards 8:30, Bardstown, Campbellsville, Litchfield, going to see some of those heavier downpours. Should be clearing out by the late morning. The majority of the afternoon will be dry, maybe the chance of seeing a few light showers, but trending much drier throughout the afternoon around 3 p.m. Temperatures are still in the low to mid 80s, going to be hazy and mostly cloudy. Now, once we head towards the evening, there is a chance of seeing a second round of storms. This model, the update, actually dried out, so it's going to be a hit or miss if we happen to see some thunderstorms later into the evening, right around the time of that Beyonce concert. So the current air quality, it is under an unhealthy level. That is a code red here across all of Kentuckiana. So if you are heading out the door, try to limit your time outside. If you're a morning runner, I would go ahead and try to not do it outside because it's not only for people who have health issues, but it really is for everybody. You can see the smoke over downtown right now. Temperatures are in the 70s in return, 76 walking out the door this morning. So we're dealing with the smoke, we're dealing with the storm chances, and we're also going to continue to deal with the smoke as the day goes on. Temperatures will be staying in the mid 80s with the clouds. Tomorrow, the first half of the day, trending dry, but once we head towards Tuesday night through Wednesday morning, that's when we'll see more rounds of those scattered storms throughout your Wednesday morning. And then on Thursday, we'll see some scattered storms on throughout the afternoon, upper 80s, and finally going to dry out by Friday. Temperatures rebounding a little bit cooler and back into the mid 80s, but at least Friday and Saturday, no rain.